Dan here, Vagabond Buddha.
Shanghai here from Accommodations.
And we're here in Onang, Thailand. And today we're going to one of my favorite places in Thailand called Railay Beach.
We have few activity we'll be doing there.
This is our self-guided tour to Railay Beach, Thailand. But don't write anything down, just click the link in the notes below this video for all the information about this tour. At that link, you'll also find everything else you need to know about how to do Krabi and Onang for cheap, including tours, restaurants, accommodations, and transportation, plus our Retire Cheap reports about this and 40 other locations worldwide. Okay, back to our video.
So it's his first time.
My first time? You mean your first time?
Yep.
My first time?
So like other activity like climbing.
Oh yeah, true. Anyway, you buy your tickets here, and we're at the ocean. The big road that you come in from the airport is here, and it runs directly to the ocean, but then you have to turn right so you don't run into the ocean. And then right where you buy the tickets, there's these longboats out here. And starting around 8 o'clock in the morning, as soon as they have 8 people who bought a ticket, it's 100 bought one way, then they throw you onto a longboat and take you to Railay Beach. As I recall, it's only about a 15 or 20 minute boat ride, but these are the longboats out here. So these are the longboats. A little closer look at them. And this part of the world is spectacular, I believe, because of these huge rocks that go right up to the ocean. I mean, it's fabulous. Of course, the Thai people are amazing. This is a little bit off season. We've been raining the last 8 days, so the water is not as clear as you might see because of runoff into the ocean from the rain. But we're going to suffer through. This is Dan of Vagabond Buddha. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, could you please like it, subscribe, or comment? Any of those would increase our rankings in the search engines, which would help our business greatly. Thanks so much in advance. So the big rock there, then there's a bunch of resorts right along the beach until you come to this walking street here. And this is the way, at least you used to be able to cross over to the other side of the island. So this is where we're heading. Maybe it still works. Oh, they paved it. Hello. Used to just be a dirt like sandy walkway. Now they paved it, looks like. Fancy schmancy. At the little T here, you want to go left. At the little T here, you're going to want to go left. Wow, there's a lot more shops here than before. Not just is the road paved, but they've added shops all along the walk. Wow, this walkway now is quite charming, and there's a lot of different food choices here, and a little more competition. The prices aren't as bad as I thought they would be, because this is a very remote area off of Onang. And so they have to bring everything in by boat. And it used to be a lot more money, but we're seeing like a cocktail here for 120 baht, which is $4. I don't think you would have found that 5 years ago when I was last here. Of course, everything is in Thailand. Everywhere you go, you have all the price demographics. This one's one of the expensive ones, no doubt. Anyway, when you get at the end of that path, you'll run into the ocean here, and you want to turn right to get to the viewpoint. And you're almost there. Just keep walking. Just follow Cheng Hui. Hi. Morning. Morning. Eventually the path will end here, and the rock climbers with ropes and safety harnesses go left, and the viewpoint hikers go right. So off we go. Pretty cool, huh? I love these trees. It's cool down. Gotta love the shade. Woo! Wow, this is beautiful just to walk without the view. And Cheng Hui found our spot. Apparently it's a rock climb area. There's a rope here. You just hold on to the rope and pray, and up you go. So we're gonna try it out. Such an amazing place. First time at this viewpoint. That's what Cheng Hui was talking about my first time. Normally I'm a land lover, but we climbed up this huge cliff, and based on her encouragement. Nice view, Cheng Hui. You like? Yeah. Going down can be harder than going up. That was a pretty good workout. Yeah? Now we're heading over to a cave over here. We're walking sort of under a cave too, you may see around us. Princess Cave. Anyway, there's some serious stalactites and stalagmites here. But all of this we'll have a map for you. You can click and follow on your smartphone. Just come to the link below this YouTube video. Go ahead.
No, just tell you that we are here.
Okay.
Then the cave is over there. The cave B.
Okay.
This one was a lot of people.
Yeah, a lot of people here. It's a real madhouse over on this side. I've actually never been over here. I didn't even know it was here, and it's spectacular. I mean, look at these rock formations. Just amazing. And there's some temples over here. And rock climbing. Used to be a sleepy little place. Now it's swarming with people. This is the penis temple, they call it. So Chung Hoi said that this beach in Railay Beach is on the 4-island tour, and they bring you here mainly because of that penis temple that I just showed you. But I haven't been here before. Normally I just hang out, and it's a cool place. Normally I just hang out in Railay West and East, and there's a cool place I've been to lunch a couple times. Spent the night here, maybe 3 or 4 nights. I don't remember how many times, but definitely still one of my favorite places in Thailand because it has this extreme sort of huge rocks coming out of the ocean like this. I find really charming. You see these in PP and other parts of Thailand, but this is just a really condensed set of them. And you can see the stalactites and stalagmites up there on the... Quite charming.
You need to climbing. You have to climb, and my leg is so not strong. And you need slippers too.
So if you come over from West Beach and walk towards East Beach, or forgive me, if you turn left instead of right, we went right to the Viewpoint, but if you go left instead, you reach this area. And there's like walking along mangroves, and at least before, there used to be a fun little coffee shop way in front of us that you would look back at everything from. I'm going to head that way. So that's the Viewpoint right there we were at, and this is the mangroves. And this is the path along the mangroves that we're walking. And there's bars all along the way. So it's lunchtime.
Just keep the sun inside for beautiful color.
Yeah. So we finished all of our activity and decided to have lunch. And look at this view we have. By the way, this whole tour, just click the link below this YouTube video for a Google map of this tour. So we spent the day at Railay Beach.
Yes.
What do you think? You like?
Oh yes, I would like to stay here on the sunset, but I drink too much right now.
You want to go home and go to sleep?
No, I would like to stay here to see how the night look like here, but because now it's low season, so it's not much to see.
Probably. Anyway, really loving Railay Beach. Just like every time I come, it's the feeling as much as anything else. But now they have we were walking by this area between here and East and West, and there's the smell of marijuana, which was kind of trippy. We've seen that in Koh Lanta, but not in other parts of Thailand. It's probably there, but whatever. So anyway, it's very relaxed here, and we're gonna jump on the boat and head back to Onam.
Yes.
So
Long tail boat.
long tail, yes. Everyone needs a long tail, don't you think?
You talk too much.